Everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello to all my subscribers. So guys, come and join me and let's make a face powder puff DIY. So this is my materials that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use 3 of this one. This one is the stuff or the inside part. And I'm gonna use the scissor, a thread, and a needle. I'll be connecting this two like this. Later than this one. So it's already done, guys. I already sew it around here. And now I'm going to turn it over like this one. And then this one here. Okay. So it's already done. I sew it already around here, and then I'm gonna flip it over like this. So this is it, and I will be inserting my hand here, and this will wait. This is how it's gonna be. Powder puff. This is my powder puff DIY. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and though it's very simple and easy to do, I hope I gave you an idea on how to make a DIY powder puff. Thank you so much, guys. God bless to all of you. Bye for now.